Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today was a really nice green day, especially for AMD and Tesla. Whoo! Man, it's good to be right once in a while. Anyways, we're gonna cover the weather on Google, Netflix, and we're gonna map out Walmart. Let's start with Google real quick. Alright, as you can see, we're clearly using the purple trend line and bouncing off of, which is nice, very nice. So that means we have another 13 to 16% before we reach gap 1 and 2 on this downtrend line. But that's best case scenario, of course. Worst case scenario is that we might still be trading at a level 4 downtrend. That's worst case scenario. It's not very likely. If I take an average of this current trend we are on, I would say we're more like an average of level 3. So we have about 4% before we reach the level 3 downtrend. But since this was a very big long downtrend, I think the market is ready to go up a lot higher than this. So I'm more worried about the level 1 downtrend more than anything. Now let's move on to Netflix. As you can see, we are getting very close to gap 1. So let's take a quick measurement. We are literally 1% away from gap 1 and 4.5% away from gap 2. So I would start being very careful on Netflix. If you think it's gonna be a bear market and Netflix gonna, go with the next leg down in this downtrend, well, this is the area you should be worried about right now. But since the market is still just starting to recover, I would say we'll probably end up in the gap 2 area. That's my opinion. Alright, now let's map out Walmart. Alright, Walmart has existed since 1972, which is way far back. So I don't think I'm gonna go that far back to take measurement. That's a little bit overkill. So I think a nice 10-year is good enough. So I'm gonna take measurement from 2015 and 2022 crash, and that should be good enough. As you can clearly see, Walmart is using the level 5 of the trend from 2015 as support right now. And we are trading at a level 4 purple trend line. So it seems like Walmart is ready to do the next leg up. But before we check on that, let's draw the downtrend. Alright, currently Walmart is looking like it's trading at a level 3 downtrend. So I expect we're gonna have a little bit of trouble around this area. So we have about 2.5% before gap 1 and about 3.5% for gap 2. And that's the worst case scenario in my opinion. Now the best case scenario is if we reach level 1 downtrend. So we have about 12 to 13% before we reach the downtrend of level 1, which is the strongest downtrend resistant lines. So yeah, Walmart is looking pretty good right now. Anyways, if you're trading any of those stocks I talked about today, I wish you the best. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.